Today I will show you how you can compare two parts in SolidWorks software, and by using this option you can know what are the changes has been done as compared to the previous version. So as you can see over here I have part 1 and this is the part 2. So I want to know what are the changes has done for this part and we can do the comparison. So to use this operation, go to Tools, go to Compare and select this option Geometry. Now here you need to select the base part. So I will take part 1. So to define your part you can use this location option as well. Since this is already open in my window, that's why I'm getting this option here. So I will select this part 2. So now I am comparing this part 1 and part 2. Now select this option run comparison. So this comparison is already done. This is the common volume and this is material to add and material to remove. So turn off this option and highlight these two. Now let us understand with with respect to the older part, what are the changes we have to do to get the previous part. So let us take part 1. So in our part 1, we can see over here we have 4 holes and we don't have this center hole here. So to get this part 2, what we have to do, we need to remove the material. So here if we remove this material, then also we need to add the material over here to get this part 2. So take as a reference of only one part and try to add and remove the material so that you will get the your previous part. So let's take part 2 and what are the changes we have to do on the part 2 to get this part 1. So as we know in this part 1 we have 4 holes and we don't have this hole here. So here we are getting option of material to remove. So here we need to remove these 4 holes and we need to add this gray material over here to get this part 1. So this is how we can interpret the result in SolidWorks compare tool. And for better understanding, always take part 1 at a time and try to add or remove a material to get your previous or the latest version of your CAD for better understanding. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly consider subscribing this channel for more such videos. I will see you all in my next video.